Bit cold, isn't it? I should have worn my jacket. And the worst part is I fucked up my tie. Go on. Can you fix it back on? You always were a moody dickhead. No reason we were kept in detention all that time because you were laying your hands on me.
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, and we can't forget your vulgar language.
You blame me for all of this?
Maybe. But I can't blame you for all that shit in Miss Weaver's class.
You talk about my vulgar language.
Come on. You'd rather I talk shit than listen to that fucking song she used to play.
I fucking hated that song. Do you remember it?
This place has been forgotten. The relic and the road. But I am on my own.
And though I was only dreaming of the life that never ends, the hardest part is to say goodbye. And so farewell to friends.
And we will be reminded
of the adventures that we shared.
While the storm raged around us and the wind began to tear down the doors, down the doors, and we never know if there was more.
This time I fear they've gone too far. This time I know they've won.